how to change your lock screen password on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the PIN, password, or whatever you use to unlock your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply unlock your Android phone. Then once it's unlocked, we need to swipe up from the bottom and just find and select Settings. Once in the settings, scroll down and we're looking for security and privacy. Select that. And then scroll down a little bit and look for device unlock. Select that. So now all we need to do is select screen lock. We're going to need to go ahead and enter whatever we use to unlock Android phone. And then all we need to do is select the new screen lock that we want. I'm using a PIN, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But you can use password, swipe, or pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and select PIN. And then I'll select my new desired PIN. So I'm just going to do 111. Next, confirm it. And now if I lock my phone and try to unlock it, I can enter my new PIN to unlock it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.